Hi, I'm Levi from CRABI, an MIT spinout building a Roomba, but to clean ships. Our robot scrubs biofouling, like barnacles and seaweed, from the bottoms of ships. This can reduce fuel consumption by as much as $1 million per ship per year. Most importantly, our robot is the first to be able to clean while in transit at speeds of up to 24 knots. This means that we can clean with no off-hire time, anywhere in the world, cutting the cost per cleaning by as much as 95%. CRABI has already been proven at sea, and now we're excited to work with you to make biofouling and fuel consumption because of biofouling a relic of the past.